Matilda cake is a classic, soft and rich chocolate cake known for its light texture and indulgent chocolate flavor. Its layers are tender and moist, and when paired with smooth chocolate ganache, it becomes a perfect dessert for any occasion. Hello everyone, welcome back to Cakelicious Neha. Let's make Matilda chocolate cake with whole wheat flour. All the ingredients are at room temperature except the milk, which is warm. In a bowl, take coffee powder, dissolve it in a small amount of hot water to make a strong coffee decoction. This enhances the chocolate flavor without adding any bitterness. In another bowl, take salted butter, brown sugar and yogurt. Mix them together until creamy and smooth. Add vanilla extract followed by the coffee decoction and combine everything well. In another bowl, we take whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. All of these are sifted together to ensure a light and even batter. Now, the dry ingredients are gradually combined with the wet mixture. Warm milk is added slowly to create a smooth pourable batter with perfect consistency. The cake tin is brushed with oil and an air fryer liner is placed for easy removal. The batter is poured in and baked at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Now, let's prepare chocolate ganache for layering. Chocolate ganache is prepared by pouring hot cream over chopped dark chocolate and mixing until smooth. It is chilled until firm and lightly whipped to spread easily. Once the cake is cooled, it is sliced into 2 layers and a generous amount of ganache is spread between the layers and on top. The cake is chilled to set the ganache perfectly. The Matilda cake is soft, moist, and layered with a luscious chocolate ganache. Each bite melts in your mouth with the rich chocolate flavor unfolding beautifully, leaving a comforting and indulgent taste. It's a simple pleasure that makes every slice feel special, perfect for anyone who loves a decadent chocolate treat. Try this recipe yourself and enjoy creating your own delicious version. The detailed step-by-step process with ingredients list is mentioned in the description box. Do check it out there. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching and happy baking!